G'day, Steve here, Woodworking Masterclass. Welcome to my workshop, and I'm ready to get into another project, but I have had so many requests about a workshop tour since I've refitted the shed. So, sorry about the delay, but for those of you that want to have a quick tour through my workshop, here it is. I hope you enjoy it, and believe me, it is an absolute pleasure to work in. So, workshop tour, Woodworking Masterclass. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It's not a big shed, it's not a huge workshop, but it's got just what I need in order to be able to do the woodworking that I do. And I do quite a large range of furniture as well as small things, and yeah, I've got to move stuff around. You'll notice a lot of the tools are on wheels, so that's easy for me to trolley them around to free up floor space if I ever need it. But the project that I'm going to be doing in the coming weeks, are pencil cases. I'm starting off with a very, very basic sliding box, like this. And I'll show you what I don't like about the ones that we all made when we were at school. I'll show you how to improve on that and maybe take it a step further. And anything that we do with pencil cases, interestingly enough, follows over or follows on for furniture making. So a lot of the joints that we do, some of the techniques that we use can be easily practiced to increase your skill level on smaller jobs. But then if you take it to doing a sideboard, making a bed, making a blanket box, even chair making, all of what we do on the pencil case side will be applicable to furniture that you want to make down the track. And then, I don't know, I'm still messing around. Here's a nice little basic single story sliding lid type. And then of course, at the end, well actually I'm working on two big finales. This will be one of them, and this is all veneered. So when you move on to this one, you'll learn a lot of veneering techniques, a lot of tricks with plywood, and a lot of shortcuts you can take, which you can't see because it's covered in plywood. I'm working on another one too that I haven't quite finished yet, but all in all there'll be at least 3, maybe 4 different pencil cases that you can have a go at down the track. And this hunk of wood I've got right here is going to be made into a pencil case like that. So what I'll do is grab my trusty plane and just start cleaning this up so we can see some of the figure that we're going to get. That's a little bit hard. You know, the hardest thing about a new workshop is trying to remember where you put everything. Well, as you can see, that bit of wood's got some nice colour and some nice figure in it. So what I'll do, I'll finish planing this, cut it all up and get it all ready for size. And next week we'll start making the pencil case, starting with the easy one first. So great to have you back in the shed, and I really appreciate all the mail that I've had. And it was nice to know that I was missed, even though I didn't go anywhere. So until we meet again, back in the shed, this is Steve saying remember to keep it sharp, but more importantly, keep it safe, enjoy your woodwork, and yes, I'll have Bob with me next week as well. All right, see you later. Bye for now.